Hey everyone, and welcome. So, you're looking to get into data science, but you feel totally lost about where to even start. If that's you, then you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to lay out a clear, direct path forward, what I'm calling the ultimate data science roadmap.
Now, this roadmap is way more than just a simple list of topics to learn. It's actually born from a really powerful mission: to build a free, world-class digital school for AI and data science. Seriously, the whole goal is to make these incredibly valuable skills accessible to everyone, no matter where you are. It's a huge vision, and this roadmap, well, this is step one.
So why is a roadmap like this so important? Honestly, it's because almost everyone who tries to start this journey hits the exact same wall. It's that universal feeling of being just completely and totally overwhelmed.
And it all comes down to this one simple question. You've heard about Python, you've heard about AI, big data, the cloud, all these buzzwords. But where on earth do you actually begin? It's the question that stops so many brilliant people right in their tracks. But today, we're finally going to answer it.
And the solution is, believe it or not, surprisingly simple. Instead of trying to learn 100 different things from 100 different websites and courses, this path focuses on just one single comprehensive toolbox, and it's designed from the ground up to make you career-ready.
So, you ready? Let's open it up. This right here is the Data Scientist Toolbox, and it is the foundation for our entire roadmap. Just think of it as your personal blueprint for building an amazing career in data science. And let me be clear, this isn't just some random collection of YouTube links. This toolbox is built on a rock-solid foundation. It aligns with what the industry is actually looking for, it's packed with the materials from top-tier universities, and it is laser-focused on one thing, taking you from an absolute beginner to a hireable expert. And when I say top institutions, I mean it. The structure and the content here are modeled on the curriculum and resources from world-renowned programs. We're talking about places like Berkeley, Columbia, and Duke. That's what gives this roadmap an incredible level of credibility and, real academic weight. Okay, so to make this whole journey feel manageable, we've broken the entire curriculum down into 4 logical pillars. This framework takes the absolute chaos of learning data science and turns it into a clear, step-by-step process that you can actually follow.
All right, here they are. These are the 4 pillars that will be the backbone of your entire learning journey. We're going to start with foundational programming. Then we'll move into data infrastructure. After that, we dive deep into artificial intelligence, and we cap it all off by solidifying your skills with cloud and certifications.
First things first, you gotta speak the language. Pillar 1 is all about getting truly fluent in Python. It is the king in data science for a reason, right? It has a massive ecosystem of tools for literally everything you're gonna need to do. And this isn't about just watching videos. It's about hands-on, practical, get your hands dirty problem solving. This is the bedrock. Everything else is built right on top of this. Okay, so once you can code, you need something to code with: data. Pillar 2 takes you into the world of data infrastructure. You're going to learn how to manage, process, and work with the enormous datasets that power modern business, using essential tools of the trade like Hadoop. And now for the magic. Pillar 3 is where you get into the really cool stuff: artificial intelligence. We're talking the absolute core of the data scientist role. You'll be building predictive models with machine learning, teaching computers to see with computer vision, and even exploring the why behind the data with causal learning, which helps us figure out true cause and effect. It's fascinating.
And finally, Pillar 4 is what makes you marketable. Look, it's not enough to just know the stuff. You have to be able to prove it. This pillar focuses on cloud platforms, which are non-negotiable in today's industry, and it guides you toward getting valuable, industry-recognized credentials, like the AWS certifications that hiring managers love to see.
These pillars aren't just abstract ideas. They map directly to real, tangible resources that are sitting right there in the toolbox. We're talking hundreds of solved Python problems, full courses on big data with Hadoop, specific modules on AI, and detailed guides for AWS certifications. It is all there.
Because let's be real, mastering all the technical skills is only half the battle. A truly great curriculum has to have one goal in mind at the end of the day: helping you launch your career. So while you've got the technical pillars on one side, building your skills, you also need the professional tools on the other to match. That's why this roadmap includes dedicated resources for building a killer resume, prepping for those tough technical interviews, and just navigating the job market. It's a complete, holistic approach. And this is where the Employment Toolbox comes into play. It's a dedicated section designed for one purpose and one purpose only:
to help you translate all that new technical knowledge into a compelling story that gets hiring managers excited and gets you through the door for an interview. So as we pull back a bit, you can see the entire journey laid out right in front of you. This is so much more than just a list of subjects to cram. It's a transformative path designed to arm you with the skills you need to build a brand new future for yourself.
So let's just recap really quickly. What do you have? You have a structured path that completely eliminates the confusion. You've got the credibility of resources from elite, top-tier universities. You have a comprehensive curriculum built on 4 incredibly powerful pillars. And, most importantly, you have a direct line from learning to being truly ready for a career.
We've given you the blueprint. The path is clear. All the tools are sitting there, ready for you. So the only question left is the most exciting one of all. Now that you have the roadmap, what are you going to build?